you look into my life, see what I see. Oh, you'll see I was so blue, down and out, don't know what to do, crying every day. If you looked into my life, take your time, baby, don't you rush a thing, no. Don't you know, no, we are the struggling, yeah. I know it is hard, but we will get far. And if you don't believe in me, just believe in He. He'll give you peace of mind. Yeah, 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 yeah. You will see the sunshine. And you will see the sunshine. You will get to free your mind. Yes, they would. Well, I know that things will turn out fine. Yes, they would. Yes, they would. I had to go through the fire, embrace the flame, let it burn real deep. I can't skip over the pain. I had to break through. Hey, yeah, I had to break through and recognize in the man in the mirror was me that was hurting myself in reality. I had to break through. I had to break through. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, yeah. I'm talking about getting it together. Yeah. I'm talking about dealing with the pressure. I'm talking about letting it burn. Let it burn, let it burn, let it burn, let it burn. See, if you looked into my I had to let it burn, y'all. Let it burn, y'all. Let it burn, 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 let it oh, my black girl, Deborah, let me hear you scream, yeah. Let me hear you scream, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. My life, my life, my life, my life. My life is just like your life. Oh, but I love you ladies to death.